Ban me, I'm mad. They must want to find which part of TikTok headquarters there in China. Kiss me, baby, kiss me. From my lip. Water me I drink on the live. You can't tell me if I drink on the live. Water. China, Singapore, same thing, me find them. Find them. No, big woman, mate. All them for stop a life. You not tell me say I can't drink a cup of water. I can't have a regular cup and drink on the life for real. Big woman, mate. I can't drink on the life for real. I don't know what that over made look while people. What that? What them think they over made or not said? Oh, a gift. A gift. Yeah, lemonade me a drink. You see there? A lemonade. People tell TikTok say lemonade me a drinks. Them can't want ban me. Oh, God. Oh, I put 21 on over. I don't know for that. Oh, you ready for go now? I'm mute. I'm mute that light. I'm mute this. Mute my life. I can't have enough follow me up too much. And me now, I can't have I'm a business. Remember, Jamaican people love people business. I pull. Hold this.
go and take a picture of them good. I'm gonna want classy, you know. No more, baby, we want 2 more. This was some nice picture. And he just now work with me. Today's your birthday? Yeah. Happy birthday. Thank you. You're welcome. Them picture in a nice man. No, wait, see how see my come here. Watch it. What they mean? What they mean, Mate?
Drink it, drink out my thing.
You not touch it.
You ready? Go ahead. That's all? By your phone.
Share some. Share them. Tell him to make sure you put them take good.
Somebody have bad me up already, so if I take a picture of them good. I'm to them people. So first I'm gonna take a picture. So fair. Oh, you don't know me, now? Ready?
Please tell them. Steady.
I'm still at the happy birthday. Cheers. Look on them. a fucking picture of my doorstep. And I maybe even want to take a picture of myself. I'm not taking a picture. I'm tired of picture now. I don't even want to hear the word picture. Pass this clip.
Hola. Can you take a picture for us? A picture.
Picture? Okay.
Yeah.
Make them only two phone. Make one of them only live. Make one of them only picture.
Live.
It's live.
Oh, sorry.
Yo, pero que no saludaba. Ready? ¿Ya? Ya. Mamá. Hello. Allá no, yo estoy haciendo el vivo. What? It them not gonna reach fast.
Yeah, let me take a picture then. Okay, this way.
Oh, this one. Tell me one. I don't even know if them take good enough, Keisha, I swear. I mean, what should I say? I don't even know if a picture of them take good, I swear. Just know some take two pictures, yeah. I want to say fit tough, fit check. Fit check, let me say fit check. Fresh, cleaned up.
Yeah. I'm here bringing me the people. I'm here bringing my live. Oh, take a picture.
1 second.
I wish I didn't never mash up my camera. Did I get some sick for China? I didn't mash up my camera. You can't be getting a nice picture.
Don't buy a butter Benz man drive C-Class Pearl White.
Somebody asked me when I did that job. Why even did that like 7 months ago?
1 year ago.
1 year ago.
Oh, me I go get black. Me nah overdo it then. I chew my rate when me nah overdo it.
What party was that?
Oh. Bonus said just pin. Bonus said me can't.